Running is more than just a physical activity, it's a lifestyle that can profoundly impact your health and well-being. With its roots dating back to ancient times, running has evolved from a necessity for survival to a popular form of exercise embraced by millions. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or a casual jogger, the benefits of regular running are extensive, touching on nearly every aspect of physical and mental health. In this detailed exploration, we'll dive into the myriad advantages of making running a regular part of your life. 1. Physical health benefits. A. Cardiovascular health. One of the most significant benefits of running is its impact on cardiovascular health. Regular running strengthens the heart, increases circulation, and improves overall cardiovascular function. Studies show that running can lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. This combination helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. B. Weight management. Running is an effective way to burn calories and manage weight. Depending on your pace and body weight, you can burn anywhere from 300 to 600 calories per hour. This calorie-burning potential makes running an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, running boosts